Thank you so much for coming back to watch this next video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone that has been subscribing and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have posted a new video so you don't miss it. So please like this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this quick tutorial. So, alright, so I want shelves for my master bathroom, and but I wanted something different, and I don't know, just something that looks different. I like things that look different. So what happened was I found these shelves on Amazon.com, and it comes with these things. Oh gosh. Oh my god, I keep seeing these things have the number 7 on it, and I keep seeing the number 7 everywhere. 777 444 222. I keep seeing that everywhere. Anyway, okay, back on track. But they have a color I don't like, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray paint. You know, I love painting everything. So I'm going to spray paint this the wood white, and I'm gonna do the hardware with the number 7 on it. I'm gonna paint it gold. So yeah, I want these to be gold, and I want the wood to be white, because it's just something that I've seen on my head for a long time. And again, a lot of times when I'm doing decor for the house, I don't find in the stores what I'm looking for specifically, because I have like a vision in my head of how I want things to look in the house. So I dreamt of having like white shelves with, you know, like gold hardware and stuff. And I'm even gonna spray paint the screws gold so that everything would match and look nice and neat. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And again, if you have an idea of how you want certain things to look in your house and you might not find it in the store, you know, just try to maybe either make it yourself or paint it the way you want. That's what I do, and everything just always comes out the way that I vision. And I love like when I think of something in my head and then it comes to life, like it's physical, and it's just, I don't know, it's an amazing feeling. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. So hey guys, so this is how it looks right now. Very wet still, and I like how it's coming up, and look how hot this looks. Oh my god, it looks so hot. I can't wait to put it together. Like I said, I spray painted the screws as well because I just want everything to match. and it looks so nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it all finished and put together. And I just gotta wait for this to dry, and once it dries, then I'm gonna spray paint the other side of it. Are you trying to say hi? Hi! Good girl. Reference says this is the paint that I use for the white. This one I got from AC Moore. Metal, I use this one. And this one I actually got from Home Depot. It was a good price too. And this one is gold metallic. So the color came out amazing. And I'm just gonna put this together. I'll try to anyway. Oh my god, this was so annoying to put together. Oh, but it's looking really cute. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh, I lost the screw. Really? Those both of them? Ta-da! Yay! I love how it looks, the gold with the white, and it gives it like this distressed wood look. And they're gonna go right here. Doesn't that look so cute? Oh my god! I'm so excited. It's gonna look so amazing. Looks so good. And it looks amazing. Now it's time to organize all my crazy skincare. I think I'm going to steal some of this decor that I have over here. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I also painted these. They were like a gold color, but I wanted like the planter to be white. So I also ended up painting these myself. SPF. And of course, never be without pimple cream. Never be without pimple cream, okay? So good.